Hi, I'm Jen Lewis. I'm here to share with you the amazing Arm Chametz cleaning kit. Getting ready for Passover and cleaning out all your chametz without the Arm Chametz cleaning kit can be a real chore. Just get rid of all the chametz with the Arm Chametz cleaning kit and you'll be ready for your Seder. When Passover comes, Jews remember the time in our history when we were made to be slaves in Egypt. But when Pharaoh finally freed us from bondage, we had to get out of Egypt fast. No time for baking bread. We just took our dough and headed for the desert. To remember this time, we eat matzah, the flat, crunchy, tasteless bread of our ancestors. Because they had no time to let it rise, we don't let ours rise either. And we eat only matzah instead of leavened bread during Passover. So, before Passover arrives, we have a job to do. On the day before Pesach begins, we perform the search, a ritual called Bedikat Chametz. We will search our homes for breads or items made from wheat or grains that rise and pack them up, give them away, or throw them away if they're old. Grown-ups can place 10 pieces of chametz around the house for kids to find. Using the Arm Chametz cleaning kit, it'll be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you gather your Arm Chametz cleaning kit, you can do Bedikat Chametz too. These are some of the items that you'll be looking for. Breads, pastas, croutons, flour, pancake, cake mixes, crackers, cereal, and more. All these types of food are called chametz. There's a lot of work to do. Where's the chametz in your kitchen? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 with the Arm Chametz cleaning kit. How does it work? Just watch.
I can't see anything.
I'm going to show you the easy way to clean your chametz with the Arm Chametz cleaning kit.
I can see everything now. With my new Arm Chametz cleaner kit, I can see all my chametz. That was so easy.
All that's needed for Bedikat Chametz is a feather, a wooden spoon, a candle, and a paper bag. Get your Arm Chametz cleaning kit today.